So we can take our roller. We're going to prepare our calves, quads, and our upper backs. So you can take your foam roller and just with one foot or one leg, just roll it out. Stopping at any areas that feel really nice and tight. You can flex your foot, you can point your toes, do some nice ankle circles, and rock back and forth. Great job. Oh gosh. Switching sides and legs. So you can either be in a figure four or you can just have your foot up like this and just roll. Stopping at any areas of tightness and just playing in that. Great job. Okay. Now we can use both of our legs. We're going to bring our pelvis towards the sky as we roll up. Ready? Slowly but surely, starting with your Achilles, working your way up. Feeling that control and that breath. Bringing your bottom back down. And then rolling, bringing it towards the sky. Felt really good. We're moving on to our quads, which are in the front of your legs. Your hamstrings are in the back. Quads are in the front. Okay. So we're going to bring this roller just one leg. Shifting your body weight. You come down, starting with the knee. You're going to roll. Good job. Okay, now you can bring that roller out just a little bit further so that you can roll your adductors or the inside of your quads. You're doing just like little miniature push-ups. Oh, good job. And then you're going to bring that roller to the outside, your IT band. So I'll show you from this view so you can see. But you're going to work your way onto your forearm, keeping that knee slightly bent, and then placing that foot in front. You're going to roll back and roll forward. is definitely a tender point. Oh, and always needs work. Okay, so we'll do the opposite leg. Cat, cow. And then cat, cow. And slightly rolling onto it. Oh, micro push-ups. Great job. And then you can bring it slightly out to the side to do your adductors. Great job. Okay, for the IT band, I'm bringing it out, moving onto your forearm, bringing that front foot twist forward, and then slowly rolling. Oh, very tender spot. Going slow and controlled. Oh, great job. Okay, moving off of that, we're going to do our upper backs. So, placing this right behind you. You're going to slowly, if it doesn't roll away, coming to your upper and mid back. And just relaxing down, feeling that wonderful arch. When your arms above your head. Great job. Then you can bring your arms behind your head and just slowly roll. Keeping that core engaged, still freely breathing. Ah, great job lowering down.